Proteus design suite is used for electronic design automation. This is a very useful tool for electronics professionals, students and hobbies. In this video, we will learn how to use it to draw circuit schematic and simulate to verify correct working of the circuit. Double click on the Proteus software icon on the desktop to start the Proteus program.
Now the Proteus has opened and we are going to start a new project. For that, click on the new project. Now the new project wizard has started and we can edit the new project name here. We gave the new project name as LCD. This project folder you can modify if you want, or you can leave it like that. Now we'll go to next. Here many settings for the schematic design are available. And here we are selecting create a schematic from the selected template. Now as we don't need a PCB layout, because we are not going to make a PCB, we are going to simulate only. So do not create a PCB layout we have selected. Go to next. Here firmware, no, we don't need any firmware, so we are deselecting it. Go to next. Now the overall project setting has come. We can give finish. Now our Proteus design area has appeared. We have to select components one by one. For that, go to library, click it. Now submenu, pick parts, and here the keyword you can give for selecting the component. So here we will be selecting a LED red. It has appeared in the preview. Give OK here. Now come to the design area and double click there. So the LED red has come. Now I will select a resistor. Go to again library, pick parts, RES, you type, resistors have come, select OK, double click, the resistor has come here. Now by default 10k resistor has come. We have to edit it to 330 ohms. For that, click on it and select, right click. Now you will be getting this menu. Here the edit property is there. You click on that. So here the value is 10k. You change it to 330. As a unit is ohm, you need not give. If it is kilo ohm, you give k. Okay. Now 300 you have given. Give OK. The value has changed to 300. You can see. Now select a switch. Again library, pick parts, switch. Now the switch has come. Give OK. And here the switch has come. Now we have to select a volt source. For that, go to generator mode on the left panel, select there. You will see different types of generators. We will select pulse generator, and again double click here. The generator has come. Now select the generator, right click, property, you edit properties of the pulse generator has come here. Initial low voltage 0, pulsed voltage high is 1 only. We have to change it to 5 volt. 5 volt we have selected, and other options you can leave to default. Give OK. Okay. Now we have to select a ground from the terminal mode. Ground is selected. Maybe here somewhere. Here we give. Now you can start giving connections. For that, you come to the switch. There, the terminal has highlighted with red color. You click there and move to the next terminal where resistor is available. Click there. Now click on the other end. Okay. You join to the anode of the LED. Now from the other end, you connect to the ground. And this. Now you connect the pulse source to the switch. Okay, the design is complete. Now we can go to the bottom triangular icon, which is the simulation icon, and you press it. The color has changed from blue to green. Now you can, now the switch you see, you press the, there are two small circles. When you point near one, plus comes. If you click there, the switch will close. Switch has closed. Now the LED has started blinking. Now if you want to open the switch, click on the negative circle. Just stop. Now it has come on. Now to switch off the simulation, you go to the blue square and press it. Now we will connect a oscilloscope and watch the signal. For that, select here. The oscilloscope has come. You click here. The oscilloscope icon has come. Now channel A you connect to the anode of the LED. You can give simulation once again. Your oscilloscope has appeared. Place it conveniently at a corner. Now this period you have to adjust to get repeated pulses. To view the pulses correctly, you increase the period like this. Now you can see the pulses coming. So friends, this is a simple video to start using Proteus program. You can practice this one regularly with more complex designs. After completing each design, you simulate the design and see whether it is working properly, and if there's something wrong, again you stop the simulation, edit the design, and again simulate and see. When the circuit is working correctly under simulation, you can go for PCB design. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe. Thank you.